Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would sincerely appreciate it. We're on the way to 1,500 subscribers, and once I reach there, a very massive and fancy giveaway will be coming out. Boo! Excuse me, I've got a little bit of a chest cold, but that will not keep me from my rounds of making a beautiful face and makeup. And this is the Life's a Draft palette from Samantha March and Ofra Cosmetics. And it is a full face palette. I forgot that it had a bronzer in here, so I already bronzed my face. But I'm going to use everything else in this palette today. And I can't wait to see how it turns out. I've not used a lot of Ofra eyeshadows, so it's very exciting to check it out. And let's get started with some blush. And I'm going to take, that's a blush. And I'm going to take my favorite blush brush, which is the Scott Barnes 64. Oh, it's a lot of pigment. Oy vey. That's super pigmented. See, that's much better. That's why we have a lovely tissue to help soften things up. It's a little bolder than I like to go, but it's a very pretty color. Just soften it up. But it's really pretty, and it's got a name, but it's so small in here that even with a magnifying glass and glasses, I probably still couldn't read it. So, oops. Oopsie. And then there's a highlighter. So let's put some highlighter on. Where's the highlighter brush that I like the best? This is one of them. And this is a beautiful highlighter in here. I do have some highlighter under my foundation, but there's nothing like a little bit of Ofra pop. Look at that. It just shines so nice. You're glowing to the gods, Rhonda. To the gods. They won't even know what to do when you go to work today. They'll say, my God, you're glowing. Once again, I'm sorry for the wheezing, but I'm just trying to get over this cold, make some videos, keep the content coming. Having a good time with makeup is what I like to do. And these are all some pretty dark colors. It's darker than I expected it to be. To tell you the truth, once I opened it up, I was like, damn, that is some dark purpley mauvey colors. So I'm going to start with this color here in my crease. Oh, it's almost a perfect bruise color. Oh, but it blends out nice. Very nice indeed, Jelly Bean. A little bit of kick up in the pan, but nothing serious. And I'm going to now go in with this very pretty purple shimmer. It's so hard to figure out which brushes to use sometimes. Sometimes it's hard to be a woman. Giving your love to just one shadow. It looks like it picked up really nicely. And these colors look so similar. And that's the problem that I have with this palette, is I think everything is looking so similar that I'm not going to get a lot of great variation in color. So I think it's going to be very, as we can tell, monochromatic. And I'm going to take my finger in and go in with this color here, put it on the lid. And it looks pretty. But I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy about this palette so far. And then I'm going to go in with a darker color and deepen up the outside. I think I'm going to go with the purple. And that looks really pretty. I'm really happy with this purple. It really brightened things up a little bit. Everything else, it looks so muddy. That looks good. Now I'm going to go in with my finger and go into this highlighter and put a little pop of it in the center of the lid. To really brighten things up a little bit. And that's pretty. That looks pretty. It's a pretty look. I'm going to do some liner and mascara. I'll be right back. And voila, my mascara and my eyeliner is on. And I use the Essence Lash Princess, the special Princess Edition. And I use the Stila Stay All Day liner, which I love so much. And now let's do a little bit of lippy. And something plummy. I think I'm going to go a little dark. Let me see how dark. Let's see if it's plummy enough. Oh yeah, this is great. And this is Super Stay Matte ink in number 50, which is my magnifying glasses over here. Let's see if I can read it. In Voyager. That looks really pretty. I'm super happy with this lip color. I'm super happy with this lip color, and I think it turned out great. This is a very monochromatic palette, but it's pigmented. The colors are there. Woohoo! I'm drunk with power. But it's not a bad one-shot face palette. I'm going to say that if you love these colors, then you should get it. And I love these colors, and I'm really happy with it. I was really worried about it being too monochromatic. I think that it is still very monochromatic, but I did get a good look out of it, so we'll say it's all right. All right, we'll see you later. Have a great day or day of your choice. Bye.